Welcome to this video. In our previous video, we have seen how we can combine two or three tables into a single table. So last time we have combined all the sales for all the regions and created a single file, a single tab known as worldwide sales, correct? So let's check out the data. Okay, so this is worldwide sales where we have date. We have region ID, sub-region ID, product ID, and sold unit, number of units which were sold. Now, our requirement right now is to map all this. Why? Because with this product 1001, I don't know which product was sold and which region bought it or which sub-region bought it. So to get the product name, we can use this product table where it will tell you that okay, 1001 is diary, 1002 is scissor, and so on and so forth. So let's map it. Okay, so I will come here, I will check merge and as new. So before that, so in if you're aware of Excel VLOOKUP, so it does the same thing. You will just look up on a particular value from other table and throw the data from that table to the current table. Here, the concept remains same, however, the activities or the outcome differs. So here, when we merge the tables or we do a literal lookup, it will combine both the tables or merge literally, and it will ask you that which all fields you want to keep. So let's check that in action. So merge query as new. Okay, it will take some time. Fine. So I want to combine the worldwide sales. I want to take the product. Okay, so my product ID would be linked with this product ID. So it's some simple, just click on that column. It will get highlighted, which says that, okay, so you are linking both this product IDs. Okay, create. Okay, now if I click on this, it right now it's showing that a table is formed as a new column. However, we need the exact column. So double click on, oh, sorry, click on that. So product ID is already present, so I don't require product ID. I need the product name and unit price for that. So I will click OK. Oh, see, now it pulled or did the lookup properly. I don't require the new column name because again, it brought those columns from another table. So by default, it keeps that as a new column and then the actual name what was present in that table, the column name. So I'll just rename it to product name, and this one I will rename it to unit price. I don't require this product ID anymore, so I will delete this. Okay, and I will rename this as worldwide sales underscore product detail. Okay, so this is the one which we created. Again, we will close and load to connection, load it. Okay, just come and check here. So it's fine. We'll come here. So this is our new table which has the product name and unit price, which looks fine. Now let's look up the data for region ID and sub-region ID. I will close this right now. I need to load it. I already have a file which has the mapping for that, which is this region. I will pull it, let it evaluate. Okay, so I will select this. Now this all steps are quite easy for you to interpret, right? Processing query. Why I put edit? Because you could see that our row header is from, sorry, the column headers are from row 1, which it's not taking. So manually we have to say that, okay, so first row is my header, looks fine. Okay, okay. And then I will simply load it to memory. Okay, connection. Yes, one thing I just missed out is to rename this. So I will rename this as region mapping. Okay, now we have to merge again or do the lookup for the region ID and subregion ID. So I will click on this again, click and merge as a new. Okay, I will take a region mapping and I want to map it with the region ID. Press Control and select a region. This one, you will see that okay, it's trying to map it on 1 and 2. Come here, select, press Control and subregion ID. Okay, fine. So this I will click. Okay, now we have got this. I have to double click, oops, single click. I don't require a region ID, so I will not select. I need the region name. I don't require subregion ID. I need the subregion name. Press OK. Now I will remove the data, sorry, the column header. From here again, I will remove the column header. Yes. Okay. Now I don't require this nor this, so I will remove this. Okay, I will. I don't want the data to look like this, so I need the region name first. So come to transform, move left, move left, or rather, there's an easy way which you can do. Just click on this and drag it the way on the place where you want to keep. Again, sub-region, I will drag it here. Okay, date, product name, what was the unit price, and number of units sold. Okay, so this is my complete table. I will load this, but notice one thing. This one, I would, this is like my final table which I would use for my modeling. So right now I don't want to create only a simple connection, or rather I want to add this data to the data model. I'll click on this, click load.